Hello everyone. So today we are gonna replace this whole thing. Not only bulb, you can easily replace bulb. I lose this plastic part, that's why I need to replace it. You don't have to, but if you want, you can just easily replace this part, because I broke this part. And as a result, if I want, I cannot stick it in, it just falls. So guys, I bought this part from a junkyard. I paid only like $5. Okay, and this is the tool I'm going to use. Okay, let's just pry it out. Easy, very easy. Now I'm going to disconnect this from here. Push it, and you can see, push it is coming out. All right, all part, and this should have a bulb already. So let's disconnect, slide it in. Okay, and this should be fine.